Ashland Hills Homestead, and we are going to be harvesting some anise seed today. So as you can see, I let my fennel go wild here, and we've just been letting it dry out, and today we're going to gather all the seeds, so we'll show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is just snip off all of these tops and pop them into some type of container. We like these kind of shallow Tupperware guys. So the tops have been removed, and because we let this go to seed, it's now really fibrous. So we don't want to eat it, but guess who does? The rabbits. So it's their lucky day, and we're just going to chop these down right to the root ball with these loppers, and we're going to go feed them to the rabbits. While the rabbits are snacking, we're going to get to work separating all of these seeds from the chaff. So we've got one here, and I'm just basically plucking off any extra excess, and you can see here I've gathered quite a bit off of this one. So let's grab some more, and we'll just keep on keeping on. We've separated all the seeds, and we got pretty many. I'm actually really pleased with this haul. So we're going to put it in our oven because our dehydrator is full right now with other things. But it's going to be at 170 for about an hour. And then we're going to come back and we'll just let it cool off, and then we'll jar it up and use it. So we've let the seeds cool down and we jarred them up. We ended up with quite a few. I'm really happy. So hope this helps you out. If you're harvesting some seeds, that's how you do it. If you like us, subscribe. If you'd like a notification, click the bell for a little ding ding. Take care and have a great rest of your day.